This is one of the oldest train stations that I've seen in Europe. Not very impressive to look at, so it doesn't seem like there's much to look at. I mean, I think I'm in a waiting room here, just waiting to see what platform my train is at, but it's not the best is what I'm saying. It's kind of dated. What do you think?
Yeah, this is like what you would expect in the former Soviet Union, kind of like 1990s train style, you know?
Yeah, maybe they have their inventory of trains because this is for the holidays. Maybe they've got some World War II trains or whatever war Portugal was in trains to come out, but it's not very impressive. But we'll see the inside of the train. Maybe it'll change our mind. I don't know. But I'm excited for the journey from Lisbon to Porto. Hopefully there's some scenery that we can see outside of the train windows, and we'll see what the accommodations are. No, I think it's actually 5th. More stairs. Okay, what do we got? Porto. 5th, right? Number 5? Should we go up? So we can't go up?
Well, we could. It's just people are going to be, in line for their train. Might as well wait until this one leaves.
All right. I think we're actually going to go up, and even if our train is not here, maybe we'll get some sun. It's kind of cold in that place. I mean, these trains look pretty old, but maybe the facilities will surprise me on the inside. So this is the Lisbon train station. These are the trains that go to Porto. Is it number 5 or number 6?
The line is number 5, but the cart is number 4.
Huh.
So it should be in the middle. I think one works.
Complicated stuff. Complicated stuff. Yeah, it's a bit chilly. I mean, it's been a sunny month in Portugal. If you're complaining about the weather in Portugal, that's the one thing you shouldn't be complaining about, because the rest of Europe is under snow and rain and wind. But it is a chilly morning, so nothing I can do about that. I think it's this one. We're number 4? Alright. Well, this one looks like a newer train. Okay. You gotta press that button. Press that button. Yes. Go for it. No? Okay. Whew. All right. Now, gotta find the. You know what? You go ahead. So I'm probably gonna have to leave this suitcase here. Maybe not. But yeah, the situation here is not bad. There's plenty of leg room. I think we got a charger there. There's something, one of these To eat?
No, this is more like to work with your laptop.
Oh, to work with your laptop. All right. And then you got a view of the city or whatever.
Let's get moving.
True, when we get moving. So
If we see a view.
if we see a view, we'll try to record something. If not, see you in Porto. So, what do you think? There's some industry.
Well, we're in the outskirts of Lisbon.
The outskirts.
Yeah.
The periphery.
So this is where you have your light industry buildings, etc.
What do you think of the train? Is it fast enough or no?
This isn't a high-speed train. We're talking 130 to 160 kilometers an hour.
So it's 130 to 160 kilometers an hour. Okay. It's not bad.
And,
Actually, I could see 140 over there. Yeah. Okay, 141. It's getting up there.
so it's slower than what you might expect in Spain, France, certainly Germany, the UK, especially for connecting the two largest cities of the country, which in this case is Lisbon and Porto.
Well, we're not sure if there's a faster train than this. Was this the fastest one they had?
I believe it was. Not quite sure.
Well, this is the best they can do. Just the fastest train. We're at 139 kilometers an hour right now. As good as it gets, I guess. Not a lot to see here.
Well, we're still on the outskirts. I want to wait.
Alright. I'll wait until we get out of the outskirts.
An hour from now, we see a small Cape Town or something like that.
Alright. Let's wait until then. Well, I had a little bit of trouble getting out of the train at the train station, but we're able to get a taxi right afterwards, and we'll be headed to the Airbnb, and then hopefully enjoy some of what's left of this day in Porto. It's a sunny day in Porto today, about 20 degrees Celsius. And the city...
Still unsure if it's 20 degrees inside the train or 20 degrees outside.
I don't know, it seemed pretty hot to me. But some of the city is what it looks like. We'll be staying at a pretty central area in Porto called Ribeira, or right close to Ribeira, a couple of minutes walking. So it should be fun. Should have a lot of old monuments and buildings, that kind of thing. This guy's hitting a lot of lights. So the Airbnb is actually pretty close to the historic area because I see a lot of the Christmas village. Yeah. That's why it's one of those oldish houses because they're probably not allowed to build. I'm always shooting. It's my life. That's what I do. I'm a shooter. Look at that. That is something. Pretty sure we'll have plenty of occasion to get a better done.
It's a Monday.
Hmm? Well, it's almost New Year's, so it's Porto is supposed to be a more touristy city in Portugal than Lisbon. So okay, well the taxi dropped us off in an area that seems extremely busy here in Porto, but we have to meet our host, so we're just like stranded a little bit. We got it? I think we got it.
Eu já dava para o 52.
Eu dei duas chaves ao teu pai.
Sim, sim.
52.
Nice.
Please be aware that the door entrance is 322, number 322. There is another door exactly very, very similar.
Okay.
This door is green.
Okay. That's amazing. It's a great situation. I like that with this Airbnb actually. Everything seems brand new. It's hard to get brand new stuff in historic districts. It's really hard to get brand new stuff in historic districts. But we tried. And this is it. It's crazy. Wow, look at that rock formation. Something out of the Bible right there. Oh, that's a great view. I think it's as good as it gets. Okay. And now, we're ready to go out and about. I think it's late afternoon, so we might lose the sun pretty soon. So let's go out and see if we can get something to eat, because it was a very tiring train ride. It was a very big train.